I'm going to show you review of GOOBAY Super Bright 1500 LED battery powered 20 watts torch, which costs around $30 or euros. It is great power to money ratio torch. It is quite cheap for the power it provides. First, let us see all around look of the LED torch. The house is made of the aluminium. It is quite robust, a little bit heavy torch, but it's not too heavy. It weighs around 250 grams, which is about quarter of kilo. It is not waterproof, so contact with water is not recommended. According to specification, illumination range should be up to 300 meters. Light duration should be up to 5 hours on 100% power and 10 hours on 20% power. 100% power equals to 1500 lumens and 20% power equals to 300 lumens, which is 5 times lower luminosity. It is powered by 6 AA batteries. Light color is white. I will now place 6 AA batteries, which are not included into GOOBAY LED light torch. Let us take the lid off. Now we take out the holder for batteries, which looks like that, and we place 6 batteries inside. Here we go, last battery. Now we place head-on back in, like that, and then we close up the torch with the lid, and that torch should be ready. Torch has more functions, which are 100% power mode, 200 power mode, percent mode, and SOS mode. We can turn on the torch by pressing the button at the end of the torch. We press it hardly one time, and we can see the light is on. Now if we press softly again, we can see 20% power mode. We can see the light is a lot dimmer. And now if we press again lightly, the torch will go into SOS mode. Like that. We can turn off the torch by pressing button hard again. One important feature is also beam focusing, which we can do by rotating front end of the torch, like that. If I turn on the torch right now, we can see the beams are going white. Now if we focus the lens, we can see the beam are focusing and the light can reach longer distances. It is said that light can go up to 300 meters in dark. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any more questions or you want to see flashlight in real world scenario, you can let me know down in the comments.